Hi, this is Euro Singapore dollar and today it's Sunday 24th of August 2014 before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for ForexID Academy members and FXholics Forex Signals apps users. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hio, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. Looking at the H4 time frame of the pair, we see a downward move, which is indicative of a bigger downward move on the daily time frame and a strong downward move on the weekly time frame. Things look quite bearish for now, so going back to the daily time frame, we have two options. Two thoughts in our minds. We can either enter long, we wait for the ideal conditions to enter long to buy while we expect a corrective move at least up to the median Bollinger Band to happen, or we wait for any corrective move so that we don't enter long, we don't buy, but we wait for the completion of a corrective move at least up to the median Bollinger Band, so we are positioned short in order to continue downwards following the main trend. Now, if you want to wait for a nice short entry, I advise you to wait, to be patient till you see the price interacting with the median Bollinger Band on the daily time frame before you enter. If you want to enter long to buy, it is wise to look for confluence, as many tools as possible to tell you the same thing, to confirm that you can enter, and this is not what we see on the daily time frame. We don't see confluence regarding any upward move for now on the daily, but let's go down to the H4 and look for more evidence. On H4, price tried to make an upward move. Stochastics made a bullish crossover, but this is not enough evidence. We don't see a down fractal, for instance. We don't see price being strong enough to make a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. Tenkan-sen is the red line of Ichimoku Kinko Hio. There are elements missing from the confluence we want to see before we place an order, a buy order. Let's go down to H1. Maybe we will see more evidence there. So here on H1 we see that stochastics say buy. We had two down fractals on the lower Bollinger Band and this body of a strong bullish candlestick, but the price has failed to make a strong bullish Kumo break, a strong price Tenkan-sen cross, bullish price Tenkan-sen cross yet. So since H1 is not a very small time frame, it's not a big one, but it's an ideal time frame for nice profits in a relatively small time span, I suggest you stay here and wait to see a strong bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. You want to see a bullish candlestick crossing and closing above Tenkan-sen, red line of Ichimoku Kinko Hio. So you enter long, you buy, you set your take profit target at least to the level of the median Bollinger Band, monitor the trade from H1, and when the price arrives the median Bollinger Band, wait to see how it will interact with it, if it wants to go to fall lower or to continue going upwards. If you see elements telling you that the price will go upwards and the leading Kumo here is indicative that the price will make an attempt for an upward move, at least uh, up to the upper Bollinger Band of the H1 time frame, then if you see something like that, place another long entry, place a buy order, and uh, place your take profit target for that second trade a few pips below the upper Bollinger Band on H1. Uh, the others, and I forgot to tell you where to place your stop loss on the first entry. So, if you see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on H1 time frame, you place your stop loss a few pips below the down fractals here. Your take profit target at the median Bollinger Band on H1 time frame at the 1.6559 price level, and you exit when the price reaches the median Bollinger Band. When the price reaches the median Bollinger Band, if you see a strong bullish interaction there, place another buy order and place your stop loss again at the down fractals of uh, of the H1 time frame, and your take profit target a few pips below the upper uh, Bollinger Band. If you see the price reversing and wanting to continue falling, place a short entry, a sell order with your stop loss a few pips above the upper Bollinger Band, and your take profit target at least a few pips above the lower Bollinger Band. But when you are on a short trade, gravity is your friend, your ally, so you can be more generous with your take profit target, because when the pair falls, it falls heavily, it falls with more strength than when it goes upwards. Now, let's see if you want to take a trade from the H4 time frame. um, I would advise you to wait for a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, but the margin you have, if you can't expect the price to have the strength to negate all this gravity, all this bearish momentum, and go all the way up to the upper Bollinger Band. It is a bit impossible for now. So going from the price Tenkan-sen cross point up to the median Bollinger Band on H4 is not an ideal profit margin for you. So you'd rather use the H1 time frame and make small steps from there instead of going to H4. Thanks for watching and happy pips.